Hi, I'm Samriddhi and I take care of the product part at Intune.
Hi, I'm Akanksha and I'm heading the Indian wear category for Intune. It's been a wonderful journey so far, and the role itself was very exciting, when you get to start something new.
So I started as the second employee of Intune, building it brick by understanding our customers better. The most fulfilling part here is to see that how your creations come to life.
So a customer is stuck with that one last idea when he gets out of the store that, okay, there is newness. There's something new coming in every week. So I can come back here the next week itself.
So trends move fast and so do we. The idea of Saturday drops is to always keep fashion fun, fresh and surprising.
So Women's Day launches is specifically designed for our it's very feminine in nature. We have a lot of dresses coming in, and with the temperature soaring outside, a lot of light colors. We are highly inspired by the fruit trend that's internationally very prevalent.
Morning, when I get ready, it's not about putting on clothes, it's about setting the tone for my day. What I wear is a reflection of how I feel and maybe sometimes how I want to feel. Some days I need an extra boost of confidence, and the right outfit always does that for me.
So for every woman, I feel you have it in you, be it the passion, the resilience, the patience, the power to change anything and to reach for the stars.